This building is an amazing opportunity for the College of Engineering, both in giving us new capabilities, allowing us to do things we've never been able to do before, but also it's a great opportunity for us to show off to everyone the full scale and the full impact of engineering. And there's this incredibly public image of him as the first man who walked on the moon, but that he has a very deep and very strong preference to talk about the engineering that got him there. And I think for us that's a significant lesson to learn, that there was the step and the giant leap, but what he really wants to talk about is how engineering and teams of engineers and that discipline was what made the space exploration possible. It lets us bring together work that is at the atomic scale in materials engineering up through the scale of space and the moon and beyond in aeronautics and astronautics. It lets us talk about how engineering engages with the community through epics. It gets at very fundamental relationship between engineering and innovation and diversity and how those are tightly connected. Elements such as the wings that just soar, and this notion that you can dream, that the soaring refers to all our aspirations. The materials used in the building, the variety of materials, so there is red brick, but there's also the metal in the wings and the exposed elements in the building, construction elements, some of the infrastructure, which is a very engineering thing. You can see everything. You can see in from outside as you're walking around the building. You can look into the labs. You can watch our students working. You can see the research going on. And this all comes together with a lot of lines of sight, a lot of opportunities to make engineering visible in a lot of different ways. It is allowing growth in areas where we were limited because of the facilities. It's also creating synergies that I don't think we anticipated. Aeronautics and astronautics and materials engineering have pooled their resources, joined forces, so we now have a materials testing facility in the basement that lets you stress materials in every way imaginable through forces and banging them and doing all sorts of things that is now used by both schools. And similarly, they've joined forces in the labs for electron microscopy, and so we have much stronger capabilities than we ever had when our facilities were distributed across a lot of different places. Seamlessly, a group of students can sit around a table in a small group and can discuss how to solve a problem, and then can just turn around and start doing simulations, working on a computer, and then move into actually designing, building, testing, and having that all in one. We've never had the ability to have our first-year students come in and learn by doing in a lab. And so this building's allowing that. For our graduate students, we have new labs that support much better integration of their education and research. And on the research side, there's more space. More importantly, there are new capabilities. The zero gravity lab is going to support experiments that we've never been able to do, and we're actually hearing from people from outside Purdue wanting to come in and know if they can help use the facility.